Today's game is a juggling activity, but you don't have to try and throw anything up in the air, so it's a lot simpler. All you need is a cardboard box, some sort of a long flat surface like an organization lid or a matte foam core, and 3 balls. The object of the game is that you're going to put all 3 balls onto your flat surface, toss them up so that they kind of go up the ramp, and then you're just going to try and keep all 3 of them up in the air without falling off the sides or without touching the bottom, and see how long you can do it for. If you're playing with several people, just take turns, and the person who keeps them up the longest is the winner. Super simple, but so much fun and really easy to put together in just a matter of minutes with items that you have around your home. If you want more ideas like that you can just do with items that you have in your kitchen or around your home, I will put a link in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye!